I'm Johanna. I'm a research scientist at the Department of AI Technology. I work with 3D imaging and image analysis. At Cubra, we have these special microscopes called light sheet fluorescence microscopes that we use to capture 3D images of biological samples. And this is a very powerful tool in pharmacological research because you can investigate disease pathologies or biodistributions of pharmaceutical compounds and even the effect of a compound at a whole organ level. Since early on, I have been fascinated about nature, about the insects and animals. And later on, I became very interested in the technological aspect of biology, how to study and how to visualize and quantify biological processes. This interest led me to study biomedical imaging and image processing. And after my master's, I was very happy that I had the opportunity to start as an industrial PhD at Cubra. One of my key roles at Cubra has been to automate light sheet microscopy, to allow high throughput imaging and also high quality imaging. And I'm also involved in analysis of these terabyte-sized big datasets. We do image various organs, and sometimes the signals can be very complex. This means that not every time we can use classical methods to extract the relevant information. Our team has overcome this challenge by combining classical methods with machine learning techniques to extract that information. And for example, we have used neuronal networks to quantify plaque load in aortas or identify cysts in kidneys, as well as we have studied brain activity in response to different drugs. And we have even had studies where we have identified changes in vasculature at different conditions. During the 5 years I have been a research scientist at Cubra, I have been also a study coordinator for several customer studies. And this is a very interesting task because it involves customer communication as well as supervision of a project from a beginning to an end. And as a study coordinator, you will design the experimental workflow, you will coordinate the execution of the experiments, as well as you will present the final results to the customer. And what drives me the most at Cubra is the possibility to work with cutting-edge technologies and that I can develop innovative solutions for very complex problems. And foremost, I do feel that my work has an impact because I do contribute to projects that develop pharmaceutical compounds that may save lives in the future.